we go, babe. Got your lights for you.
Oh, good. All right, you put one in and I'll put one in. And then we'll have some light in here. Oh, cool.
Why have you got that colour light? Why have you got green light?
So I've got all the beacon lighting in the whole house, but they've got their smart lights in the guest bedroom, which I forgot to tell Daz about. So he was a little bit kind of surprised when he saw green lights go on. I've got beacon smart lights. There's actually 16 million colours.
16 million?
Yeah, just from screwing those globes in. And I can change the colour. I can give it effects if I want to. Look. Ooh, we can have a disco in here.
I'm pretty positive your mum's not going to enjoy that.
She would love it when she comes to stay. It's literally just screw the globe in and you're away.
Good job.
And it's all voice activated.
Nice.
It's good, isn't it?
Yeah.
And this is looking gorgeous, don't you think?
It is, yeah,
I love
it's
it.
really good.
And this bed looks so comfy.
We're getting on, yeah, sure,
Yeah,
all
let's
right.
try it out. I love
Fair
it.
enough. Hey Google, dim the lights.
What are you up to? I think Darren will secretly be in that bedroom playing with those lights saying up, down, all the time.
Love Shack.